Look, I don't know if I was objective enough in what I say before, or if I let any doubt on you. So let me try to repeat it if you need me to repeat. No way I resign. No way. Why? Because Chelsea cannot have a better manager than me. There are many managers in the world that belong to my level, but not better. So no chance I run away. Why? For two reasons. One, because I have my professional pride, and I know that I am very good in my job. Secondly, because I like this club very much. And if that's not the case, could be different. But in the accumulation of both situations, I want the best for my club, and the best for my club is for me to stay. So I stay. And when we were champions last season, I told I'm going to stay until the owner and the board, they want me to leave. No club can persuade me to leave. No financial offer can persuade me to leave. I'm going to stay until the day the owner and the board, they tell me Jose is enough. And I told that when I was champion. I tell that now when I am 16 or 17 in the table or wherever. So no chance I resign, and that is completely clear. Apart of that, I cannot tell you more. This is the only thing I can tell you, because depends from my will, and depends from my personality, and that I can be completely objective.